Hello everyone, welcome to another video of React JS 19 tutorial series, and this is the project from our previous videos with two input elements and a button. So on click of the button, we saw how we can access the input values using a direct DOM manipulation, and we discussed about the disadvantages of using this approach. And in this video we are going to see what is the proper approach of accessing the DOM elements in React. So in React we can use another React hook called useRef to access the DOM elements directly. So let's see how we can use useRef hook to achieve the requirement we have. So the first thing which we are going to do is let's import useRef hook. It has to be imported from the React library itself. So now we can use the useRef hook to create a reference variables. So we need one variable for post title, and later on we are going to create another variable for the post content. Let's give it a name like this. It could be anything of your choice, and we can also provide an initial value to the reference variable. Let's provide it as null. So this reference variable can be attached to the HTML element for which we want to access the DOM properties. So now I'm going to create one more reference variable for the second input element, and I'll give it another name, content reference. So now to properly attach these reference variable to the HTML element, we have to use a attribute called as ref. So we have to pass this reference variable to the ref attribute. Similarly for the second input element, ref and the variable name like this. So for these two input elements we have created two separate reference variables. So now let's see how we can use these reference variables to refer to the HTML DOM elements. Now I'm going to refer to the first input element with the help of the first reference variables. So we can use the reference variable name, then dot current. So current will represent the latest DOM values for that reference variable. Then we can use any DOM properties or functions. So we need value, right, to access the input values. Similarly, for the second input element, I am going to use the second reference variable, and rest will be similar. Now if I provide few values to these input field for the first input element and to the second input element also, and if I click on the button, we can see the values are getting printed. So this is the proper way of accessing the DOM elements into React component. And in the upcoming videos we are going to learn about few more React concepts. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to upload a lot of exciting content in the upcoming videos. Till then, take care, and I will see you in the next one.